Assalamu alaikum and hello happy moms. Today we are here with a new recipe. It's a winter special recipe and is not only easy but healthy too. So let's get started. We will be needing date paste. You can also use pitted dates. And we need some dry fruits, almonds, pistachios, walnuts, and cashew nuts, raisins. It all depends on you. Whatever you like, you can even add more dry fruits. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, welcome back.